Okay. Slate. Hi, this is Autumn Manelick with the Trebuchet. We are on Season 2, Exposing Corruption in the Family Court System. I'm here going to be taking us through some interviews with other family court survivors. Stay tuned as we expose
everybody, the court system, the frauds, the actors, all of them.
Hashtag all of it on the Trebuchet. Thank you so much for being with us. All right, you're up. Go for it. Okay.
Hi there, welcome.
Hello.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll start first with your name.
It is Kelly.
Kelly, and where are you from, Kelly? What state?
I am from Akron, Ohio.
Akron, Ohio. Okay, and what county?
It is Summit County.
Summit County, okay. And how long have you been in the system so far, fighting?
10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And at what point did you start to think, something's up, something's off here?
Well, we just finished our third trial. So third trial in 10 years. Our first trial was, we actually had a 60B motion, which overturned, we set precedents in the state of Ohio. It overturned our original dissolution with an appeal, made us remarried again. We had to go through our second trial.
Really?
And our judge sided against our guardian ad litem at that time. I knew during our third trial when my ex-husband and his lawyer were begging for that same guardian to come back, and it was allowed, that it was not going to be good. Mm-hmm. So
they allowed it.
They allowed it.
And how did you feel like the guardian ad litem helped your case in any way?
Not at all. Our guardian ad litem is best friends with my ex-husband's lawyer, and they are all friends with the guardian, the director of the guardians, and I uncovered that and actually confronted them with it, and they retaliated against me. Yes,
right.
For that connection.
Right. And who are you fighting for?
My kids, 4 kids.
You have 4 kids?
I have 4 kids, yep.
So you are divorced now? Well, you're still, they overturned your divorce, right? That's what you said?
They did, and then we went through our second trial, and our judge sided against our guardian ad litem, which is extremely rare. It never happens. And then I was awarded custody during that second trial. My ex-husband appealed it, and then at that time I had exhausted all funds, so we entered into a shared parenting agreement after he won that appeal. It was overturned, and we co-parented for 3 years until my kids, who are now preteens and teenagers, started figuring him out. And then I warned him, this happened, started May 2024, and I warned him for about a year, well, about 6 months to get it together, and then we entered into our third trial in August of 2024. So my ex-husband, who is remarried and has a new baby from that marriage, we have 4 kids together that he is he's basically holding them hostage.
Right. So you've been doing this for 10 years, and the most recent trial started in August 2024. Did that finalize?
It finalized in July of 2025, where I had full custodial rights stripped, and I was awarded supervised visitation, and I am banned from my kids' schools and from communicating with them outside of 2 days a week, and from all of their extracurriculars. I missed 2 whole volleyball seasons this fall.
And do you think that you deserve that?
I have been their primary caretaker for 15 years. My oldest is 15, and there has never been an allegation of abuse or neglect or mistreatment. I would consider myself a world-class mom. Other moms come to me and ask me for advice, and now I don't have advice to give because I don't have my children.
Right.
And no answers. Why?
Do you think the system has been fair?
It's been the opposite of fair.
Right. And if you don't mind me asking, how much have you spent since day one on lawyer fees, experts, all of it?
Probably over $100,000 at least.
Yeah. And so you have 4 kids, you said?
4 kids, yep.
And what are the ages and the names?
They are, so my oldest is Madeline. She is at, all 4 of our kids go to private school. She is at Walsh Jesuit High School in Summit County, Ohio. She's a sophomore, 15. Mackenzie is 14. She's in 8th grade. She will also go to Walsh. Dad and I were high school sweethearts and met at Walsh.
Okay.
And then next one down is Mia, who is in 6th grade. And Michael is my baby boy, and he'll be 10 this year.
Wow. Has this affected them a lot? Like this whole process, do you think that it has taken from their childhood in a lot of ways?
My son ran away from his father's and told the police that he was being abused, and it was covered up. They all 4 testified against their dad, begging to be away, and it was covered up as mute. They are desperate to get away from him, and they are praying to be back with me.
Yeah.
And it has it's so traumatic. It's completely uprooted. They are straight A college prep kids. It's completely derailed them to where my kids are struggling in school now. They've never had any issues before.
Yes.
They are, there's a lot of emotional issues now that were never there before, ever.
Right.
They were great kids.
What do you have right now? Do you have visitation? Do you get to talk to them? What do you have right now?
I have 2 hours per week of supervised visitation at a supervision center, and they have kids supervising me who don't know anything about parenting. They just have like social work. They take classes in social work, and then they tell me what I should and shouldn't be doing.
Right.
And when we talk about why we're there, why we came to court to uncover abuse and neglect, we talked about they were actually micromanaging me, and they treat me like a criminal.
Yeah.
And we had to tell them, we are not here because I committed a crime. My only crime is telling the truth.
Right.
And after that, they make comments in front of my kids. The supervision process in general, they are so concerned about father's parenting time, not about what the supervised time does to mother, so much that even my older kids are starting to correct me because the supervisor is correcting me in front of them when it's basic things. It's not, and so that's teaching our children that mother has an issue or dad has an issue that aren't there, and they're confused and they're wondering what's going on. So us parents, when we come and we tell the truth, we get punished. We go to jail. I'm sentenced to 30 days in jail unless I want to pay my ex-husband's legal fees, just for speaking out.
Yeah.
And the kids are just desperate to be away. They're teenagers. I mean, my daughter is going to be driving in 6 months, I think. So we're going to be trusting her out on the road to be making these adult decisions, but she has absolutely no idea where she wants to live at 15 years old. She just could never make that kind of decision without a mother coaching her. I mean, it's complete insanity that we're giving them these kinds of responsibilities, but not trusting them on where they feel comfortable, what they want and what they don't want.
Right. Okay, so if you could say anything, I think I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
This is gonna happen from us. Oh my gosh, I really needed to take an allergy pill before
I did before I came because I knew. Bless you. It's been bad. Bless you.
And I have like attacks where it keeps coming and it keeps coming and it keeps coming.
Same.
I'm having. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna cut this out. I can't stop sneezing.
It's so funny. This is
I need an allergy pill or something.